Can't find the Xarena app on your Infinix phone? In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest Xarena game Turbo APK for Android into OTA 6. Many users are searching for a working download link but end up installing the wrong version or getting errors. I'll show you the correct way to get the app, install it safely, and explain what to do if Xarena still doesn't appear on your device. Let's get started and download the latest Xarena game Turbo APK for your Infinix phone.